I'm not one person who usually criticize the selection made by Coach Hugo Bruce, but this time I was just concerned. How is Thembi Nkosi Lodge again in a friendly match against Zambia squad? He's not there, not even in the prelims. The guy is doing good in Morocco. He's one of the performing overseas based players currently. Lodge, even the stats speaks for itself. Thembi Nkosi Lodge. Maybe it's because of the age. Sometimes I don't know. But we saw some other players playing one or two games and boom, they're in the Bafana squad. But Lodge, I don't know. Maybe there's something that we do not know. And we know that Coach Hugo Bruce do not like answering the questions regarding Thembi Nkosi Lodge. Mina, I'm only speaking Lodge. He's currently one of the best performing South African players currently. Maybe for a friendly Nyana against Zambia, and Coach Hugo Bruce could have took it from there, whether he recalls him or not. But it is choice anyways, and every player who was called deserves it. I am Spelo Dlamini. I was just sharing my opinion regarding this Thembi Nkosi Lodge. When will he get a chance in the Bafana setup? Or is it over for him?